Hi, good morning. This is Shilpa. Welcome to Shilpa Tally Online class. Today I am going to explain the creation of TDS. TDS in the sense tax deducted at source. Means whatever the sources of income is there, in that government is deducting taxes. Like for example, whatever the sources of income, like TDS on rent of land and building, rent of plant and machinery, commission, interest on security, winning from horse race, winning from crossword puzzles. Okay, based on these options, whatever the sources of income more than 10%, 10% is the TDS rate. Whatever the income is there, on that 10% of tax will be deducting on the basis of TDS. Okay, so it is nothing but tax deducted at source. Now I am going to explain the how to create the TDS in a Tally software. So I created the company name itself TDS. So first we have to go to the activation steps, effluent features, statutory and taxation, enter. Here, enable tax deducted at sources, sector alter, TDS detail, yes. Okay, now you can go for TAN registration number. Now, individual or HUF. Now, TDS rate is 10% if you are providing PAN card. If you are not providing PAN card, it will be 20%. So, we are providing the PAN card, so I am taken as 10%. Okay, now enter it, PAN number. You can give your PAN number. Now I am doing on the option is rent of land and building and furniture. So first I have to create the option. So for that we have to go to the main home page, gateway of Tally. There you are finding accounts info. Here you are finding statutory information. Statutory information means on what basis TDS I am going to calculate. So we can go for TDS nature of payment, enter, create. So I am calculating on the basis of TDS on rent of land and building and furniture. TDS on rent of land and building. Land and building. TDS on rent of land and building. Okay, section is you can go for 196. Payment, check RDD. Check RDD. Because TDS we are paying through check RDD, rate is 10%. Okay, now whatever the option we have done, on that we have to create the ledgers. Accounts info, ledger, create. Rent paid account. Rent paid on land. TDS on rent of land account, no? So you can take it as rent paid account, otherwise rent paid on land account. Under indirect expenses. Here we are doing only the TDS, so no need to activate the GST. Is TDS applicable? Applicable. Here on what option we are doing? We are doing on the option is TDS on rent of land and building. So we can take it as that option. One ledger is over. Next one, TDS on rent account. TDS on rent account under duties and taxes. Here TDS on option TDS on rent of land and building and furniture. Name of party. Name of party you can take it as MK on rent account, means one who is going to pay tax to the government. Sundry creditors. Here TDS deductible is, here you can go for individual HUF or resident. So 3 ledgers over. Now our work is only for passing the vouchers. So we have to go to the accounting voucher, F7 journal. First one journal, then 2 payment. Okay. So first I am passing the rent paid account. Rent paid on land account. Here classification is we are purchasing, so we can take it as purchase taxable. See for example the building rent is 50,000. Okay. Next, the name of party. Name of party is MK on rent account, means MK on rent account 45,000 and TDS on rent account. TDS on rent account 5,000. Means I told you 50,000 is your building rent, on that 10% will go to the government, means 5,000 will go to the government and remaining 45,000 will come to the name of party, means owner. Okay. Now this allocation we have to show in the payment voucher. F5 payment. So first MK on rent account 45,000, means the name of party will get 45,000. TDS we are paying through check or DD. Here name of the bank is not there, so I will create SBM under bank account. SBM under bank account. One is for instrument number is nothing but check number. Okay. Another one, TDS on rent account, 5,000 to SBM. Okay. Fine. Now, whatever entries we have done, we can see in the display. Statutory reports, TDS reports, TDS reconciliation. Means 5,000 is your rent, whatever we are going to pay. So this is the calculation of TDS. Okay. Now if you alter it and any deletion, you can go to the same step like display day book. There if any alteration is there, means you can make it for alteration and deletion. Okay. So if you like this video, please share it, subscribe it and comment it. Thank you.